Everyone, this is SHYGURUREVIEWS, and in today's video I will show you how to fix this little issue on your web browser. So if your browser keeps reloading and reloading each time you search for a word, here is the way you can fix this issue. It's just a simple way, because I have the same issue with you and I watch a lot of videos on YouTube and other sites to help me fix this issue on my browser, because it's frustrating. Okay, each time you search a word and just to access the page, your browser keep reloading without you getting the exact information you search for, and to allow you to analyze other sites on the page it load up. So you just refresh without you refreshing the browser. I had the same issue, so I was able to fix this issue by myself, because I read a lot of articles online and none of them were able to figure out the exact problem. So although it took me some time to find out what really happened, to you it may be another issue, but this is how I was able to overcome mine, and that's what I'm about to share in this video. As I said before, your browser keeps reloading as if you refresh it from the refresh button. So here is the easy step I use to stop this. So what you need to do is to click here, click on more, and come over to clear browsing data. And another step you need to take is check the extension you added before the issue start happening, or before it developed the problem. So once you check the extension you add within those period that it developed the issue, so what you need to do is to come over here, click on manage extension. So once you click on manage extension, you'll be able to identify the extension you add before the issue develop. What you have to do is either disable the extension or remove the extension entirely. So I noticed that the extension that have been causing this problem was oversuggest. So because immediately I remove oversuggest from my extension list, the problem stopped immediately. The reason why it was oversuggest is that once you come here, you find out that here keep reloading, and all these data keep reloading, and other data in your site or in that keyword you put in will keep reloading, just as what you are seeing here. Oversuggest is just a tool that gather information for you, just like Google Keyword Planner. It's go outside there in the web and get a lot of information about the particular keyword you are searching. If you search a keyword on your browser and the information it get isn't enough, what it will do is to reload the page without you reloading it. So that is it. So as you can see, I've removed oversuggest from my Chrome extension. Oversuggest is one of the extension that might cause auto reload on your browser. If you check and you have such extension on your browser, just remove it, and also search for potential extension that have similar features or can perform similar thing browser. So what you have to do is to disable or remove it entirely, and check browsing on your browser again, and just find out if the issue keep persisting. So that's how I did mine and it worked. So let me refresh this page and show you that oversuggest is no longer here. My browser doesn't reload by itself again. So this is it. It's not reloading again, and everything is in there. So I can decide to click on any link I want to click on, any website I want. You just search without reloading. So guys, this is how you can be able to fix this problem by yourself.